Kigali Eye.
Rwanda is home to several exquisite attractions, but the following 10 places must be on the agenda for anyone visiting Rwanda, especially those coming for the first time. Let's go! The National Museum of Rwanda. Museums are an embodiment of Rwanda's rich cultural heritage. There, you understand the people of Rwanda better and appreciate the things they hold dear. Rwanda's traditions and culture are steeped into centuries-long history of Rwanda, well before the colonialists arrived. One can visit various museums including the Natural History Museum in Kigali, the Ethnographic Museum in Huye, the Presidential Palace in Kigali, the King's Palace Museum Rukari in Nyanza, Environmental Museum in Karongi, and the National Art Gallery Rwose in Nyanza. Akagera National Park. Akagera National Park is Central Africa's largest protected wetland and the last remaining refuge for a savanna-adapted species in Rwanda. It is located in the northeast of Rwanda and it is named after the Akagera River that flows around its western boundaries. The Savannah Park is known for its richness with various wild species including the Big Five: lions, leopards, rhinos, elephants, and buffaloes, among other types of species. Volcanoes National Park. This is, without a doubt, the number one thing to do in the northwestern Rwanda. Gorilla trekking in the Volcanoes National Park. The park covers 160 kilometers of rainforest and encompasses 5 of the 8 volcanoes in the Virunga Mountains, namely Karisimbi, Bisoke, Muhabura, Gahinga, and Sabyinyo. It is home to the endangered mountain gorillas and the golden monkeys and was the base for celebrated primatologist Dian Fossey. It is estimated that there are 600 mountain gorillas in the park. Nyungwe National Park. Nyungwe National Park, which is located in southwestern Rwanda, is one of the most important forest conservation areas in Africa. It contains a spectacular array of bird species and 75 types of mammals. Most tourists come to this rainforest to track chimpanzees, which have been habituated to humans by park rangers. The park is also home to the only canopy walk in the East Africa. Lake Kivu. Lake Kivu is one of the African Great Lakes, which lies on the wood. Lake Kivu is one of the African Great Lakes. Lake Kivu is one of the African Great Lakes, which lies on the border between Rwanda and the Democratic Republic of Congo. The lake is surrounded by misty mountains and luxury hotels like Serena in Rubavu and Cleo in Karongi. Taste the Rwandan coffee. Rwanda is, among other things, popular to eat. Rwanda is, among other things, popular for its top quality coffee. You don't want to visit Rwanda and go back without tasting its legendary coffee, do you? From Question Coffee in Gishushu to Bourbon Coffee in Nyarutarama to Kivu Noir Cafe in Kiyovu, a coffee lover is polled for choice. For instance, Kivu Noir Cafe, which serves the best coffee that grows along the shores of Lake Kivu in western Rwanda and is ranked among the top 1% of coffee worldwide, has also added to its Kora and Buriza coffee plantations in Rulindo and Gicumbi, respectively. For instance, Kivu Noir Cafe, which serves the best coffee that grows along the shores of Lake Kivu in western Rwanda and is ranked among the top 1% of coffee worldwide, has also added to its Kora and Buriza coffee plantations in Rulindo and Gicumbi, respectively, on to the top list of destinations in Rwanda. Kigali Genocide Memorial. The museum dives into the timeline that led to the 1994 genocide against Tutsi, bringing the horrors to life through halls of photography, artifacts, and information. The museum also includes a permanent exhibit of the history of genocide around the world. Visiting the Kigali Memorial Site is an important part of being a responsible tourist in Rwanda. One that will leave you not only informed about Rwanda, but also connected to the hard realities from which the country has been rebuilt. Give yourself time to contemplate the experience and have a moment of silence for the victims interred at the site. Located
Kigali
Tour of Kigali. Tour of Kigali is one of a kind experience, from amazing food to art galleries and piers. From amazing food to art galleries, views of the rolling hills that make up the capital. Kigali has increasingly staked a claim to be a proud place among Rwanda's top destinations. From a small neighborhood near the central business district, it has grown into a major metropolis which nearly 1.5 million people call home. One particular place you don't want to miss is Choose Kigali, a major creative space in the upscale Kiyovu area, which houses several floors of open galleries that feature a rotating slate of Africa's latest contemporary art with one of the best cuisines in the country. Fazenda Senga. It is an outdoor recreation center that offers horseback riding experiences, zip lines, archery, quad bikes, and bungee trampoline, among others. Guests can also enjoy picnics in a beautiful garden or terrace surrounded by nature and facing the Nyabarongo Valley. Fresh air, lots of space to run around. Fazenda is a popular family destination. Located on top of Mount Kigali, it is only 15 minutes drive from the city center. Isas is one of the best known joints for brochette and must-have local roast. The place is located in Kimihurura near Papyrus and Envy Club. They also serve some of the most delicious ibirayi, roasted Irish potatoes in Kigali. Told you, you don't want to miss.
Kigali Eye. Kigali Eye.